Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial today, we are going to continue our discussion on HTML text formatting. So quickly, let's get started. Today, our discussion is going to be on I tag and the EM tag. So, the HTML I tag and EM tag elements. The HTML element defines a part of text and in an alternate voice or mode. The content inside is typically displayed in italic, that is, this I tag is for italic text formatting. I want you to understand the point. The I tag here is typically displayed in italic, that is, this I tag is for italic text formatting. So, tip: the I tag is often used to indicate a technical term, a phrase from another language, a thought, a ship name, etc., and so on and so forth. For example, it can look like this. This is how it will look. The opening I tag and the closing I tag along with the text you want to insert in it. The text you want to decorate using the I tag. So quickly, let's give an example of I tag. Let's come back to our document here and write I tag. Inside here, let's write this is so cool and save it. Save our document. Let's go back to this place. You will see something here that will appear after this. Can you see? This is so cool. This is I tag for you. We enclose this text here inside I opening and closing I tag. This is text. Can you see? Opening and the closing I tag. And also, you can do it like this. Reload it. Can you see? As more as we want, it is there. So you can see it clearly. That's why I'm doing this. Can you see? 1, 2, 3. When we save it, come back to this place. Can you see? Can you see? It appears and it's clean. Now, let's go back to our document. The HTML EM element defines emphasized text. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. That is, this EM also works as italics. Tip: a screen reader will pronounce the words in EM with an emphasis. Emphasis using verbal stress. Example: the em opening tag and the em closing tag along with the text you want to use so quickly. What is all this about? All this quickly is for the screen reader, like some algorithm that will pronounce this voice text, voice call, voice this, voice that. Engine, like engine, want to pronounce it. When you use em tag instead of I tag, that is, the em tag can work along with engine. When engine want to pronounce it, engine can pronounce this one, but this one it may not correct. It may not sound nice, but this one em tag here, if engine want to pronounce this, read it for you automatically, it can read this one italic very nicely. So let's copy this and come back to our document. Let's just use it here and save it. Save our document. You see what I did? This is the em tag opening tag and this is the em closing tag. If you want to write it, let's say you want to write it from the scratch, we will do like this: em, press tab, it will automatically generate the code for you, because this is the benefit of using VS Code. You can watch our first or second tutorial on how we install the VS Code. Then you can type whatsoever you want to type here. So I have the text I want to use already, that's why I paste it quickly. So let's save it and go back to our document. So let's reload. You will find something here, under this one, under this circle, you will find another text here. Can you see? This text is emphasized. Do you know what happened? It comes up. That is, we will need to use our break tag when using the em tag. Our break tag, you can watch our former tutorial about it. It's very important. Go back. You can see now it's having a gap. It also works like this, but the em tag, when you use it, the engine will be able to pronounce it. But when you use this one, the engine may find it hard to pronounce. When you want to use this, let's say this one, we will prefer this one because woman can pronounce this and engine can also pronounce this too for voice something. So robotic, they use this. I think you are getting the point. So it's just like this one, the B tag and the strong tag. The B tag is having less important than the strong tag. The strong tag is having much more advantage. Same goes to this one. The em tag is having much advantage than the I tag. So I want you to understand the point. This is text we enclose with the em tag. Can you see? This is the em tag, opening and closing tag. I want you to notice one thing. When we wrote the I tag, we don't use the br tag. Let's do like this and put it here and see how it looks. Can you see? Despite the fact that we took the I tag right to the beside of the p tag. Still, can you see the I tag is here on the same line with the p tag? Still, the page give us a break. It gave us line break, which is a margin. But the em tag will work gently. You will have to be the one to specify the line breaks if you need it. But if you don't need it, then you may not put it. So like this one now, if this one is by the side of the p tag, let's see how it looks. The em by the side of this one, let's see how it looks. Wow, they both work the same. As you can see, they both works the same. So, but when you look at it very well, you will notice that when we put this text, this text is emphasized. Let me give it a break here, the BR, so you can be able to know what I'm talking about. Break here. As you can see, when we put this one also by the side of the p tag, it jumps a break. Definitely, this italic tag and the em tag, no matter where you put it, they will want to jump a break, unless they are both beside each other. That is the only time they will never jump any break. They will never jump any lines. That is when we remove this br tag and this em tag is beside the I tag, they are the same family, so they are not going to break anything. You can see they are not going to break. Let's see, can you see? They don't break because they are the same family. But if you want to break it, you have to put the br tag, this br tag, to break it. Now this one will jump. Can you see? It jumps because we put br tag in between them. We separate them. So as you can see, I'm giving you all this texting so you can be able to grab the point very well, because all these are very, very important. We will come, let's say we are going from basics to the advanced level of using HTML. So I want you to understand this. So we can style this also. The both elements, we can style them. Let's give this a style. Right now we can use part of the style attribute that we have talked about, the font size. Font size maybe 23%. The both, we can give it 23%. It will work the same. As you can see, this is so cool, this is so cool. You can see this one. This one is big, this one is small, this one is bigger. All this one, they are bigger than this one. You can see this is the useful of texting. You can see this one also. But do you know the reason why these one are not small yet? Is because this one, they are single, they are just separate I tag. This one is having opening tag and the closing tag. This one here also having the opening tag and the closing tag. So come and look at it. Can you see? These are the tags. As you can see them, they are separate tags. You can see 1, 2, 3. So if you have to put star here also, you have to copy this and place it here one by one. But let's save it now to see the second tag also. Can you see? It works. What of this one? You can do it again. You can do like this and give it a star. The star attribute. You can see how it works. I hope you are getting the point. And this one also can do the same. Let's do like this. This one will be smaller than this one, and this one will be smaller again. So let's save it and see how the document looks. Can you see? Small, big, and small. I think you are getting the point now. So you can style it also. You can give it fonts, like you can give it font family, like Algerian. Yeah. Let's save it and see how it looks. Can you see? This one changed, the font changed. You can give it anything we want. The same goes to this one also. You can do like this, but later in the future we will discuss about how to maintain these style attributes very well so it can look clean. In the future tutorial we will discuss about it. So this place also part of the thing that we have learned so far. We will use it here too. We have discussed about font size, font family, and what again, and so on. So we will be discussing about it all one by one as we are getting going. So I think we should leave this today. But if you want to have all these texts in one page, you can do it also, so that they can have just one, like this one now. You can just do like this. Bam. This one can have this. All these are going to have one font. Are going to have one font, and you can give it a BR tag here, so it can jump the line instead of giving it anything. Let's see. Can you see? This is cool, and BR tag make it jump, and this is it. As you can see very well, it's nice. So you can do anything we want with it. So what we have did so far is we use em tag. We use em tag and the I tag. They are from the same family, but we can use them different ways. This one and this one, they are from the same family, but this one engine can easily read it, like voice call, voice note, voice mention. But this one don't have powerful times like that. That's why we use them. When we click this break, they are going to come beside each other. Let's see how it looks. As you can see, they are both by their size, you understand? But when we give it a break, we put break here, this it's going to jump. This is what you have to know, and we can design it anyhow we want. So I think we are done today. Once again, my name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.